How to install Progressive Web Apps, PWAs, on Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Progressive Web Apps, PWAs, in Microsoft Edge turn frequently used websites into app-like experiences, streamlining access and usability. They offer benefits like push notifications, offline access, and faster load times, all without the need to open a browser. In this video, we'll outline how to easily install and uninstall PWAs on Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to install PWAs on Microsoft Edge. To qualify as a PWA, a site must include a JSON manifest, use HTTPS, and support multiple device types. Before you start the installation process, make sure to check if a website supports Progressive Web Apps. Open the site in your browser and launch Developer Tools by pressing F12 or right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Navigate to the Applications tab, click the greater than icon if it's hidden, then select Service Workers from the sidebar. If a service worker is listed, that means the site supports PWA functionality. Method 1. Installing PWAs using the address bar. Open the Microsoft Edge app. Go to a website that supports PWAs, for example Pinterest, Uber, Twitter. Click on the plus install icon in the address bar. Confirm the installation in the pop-up window. Choose which settings you want to allow. Method 2. Installing PWAs using the Edge menu. Open the Microsoft Edge app. Go to a website that supports PWAs, for example Pinterest, Uber, Twitter. Press Alt plus F to open Settings and More. Select Apps, install this site as an app. Confirm the installation in the pop-up window. Choose which settings you want to allow. How to uninstall PWAs on Microsoft Edge. Method 1. Uninstalling PWAs using Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge. Press Alt plus F to open the Settings and More menu. Go to Apps, View Apps. Right-click the app you want to remove and select Manage App. Click Uninstall, then confirm when prompted. Method 1. Uninstalling PWAs using the Start menu. Press Window plus S and search for the PWA you want to uninstall. Right-click on the app you want to delete. Choose Uninstall. Confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Bonus: common PWA installation issues. As with any process, you might run into a few hiccups when trying to install Progressive Web Apps. The three most common issues are: the Install option doesn't appear, the PWA doesn't open properly, the PWA shortcut is missing even after installation. If you run into any of these issues, check our blog post for the full fix. PWAs offer a lightweight, streamlined way for organizations to access key websites quickly and efficiently. They're easy to install and manage. Progressive Web Apps in Microsoft Edge, making them a practical tool for improving accessibility and enabling workplace automation. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to install Progressive Web Apps on Microsoft Edge in Windows 10, linked in the description below.